So I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of that point of view driving. I did put the mic right here by the end, so we'll have to see how that audio actually came out, because, well, it was very loud, and I don't know, even on my camera setting, I have it like set to 1. It might be just so loud, like literally the camera can't pick it up, especially where it was located. So I might have to like put the microphone a little further away or something like that. But we might have a little construction noise in the background, hopefully not. I do want to go ahead and get into checking your guys' comments. Checking your guys' comments has actually been one of my favorite segments on this, because I get to interact with you guys directly. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull out my phone and start to read some of the comments and respond to them for you guys. So these comments are coming from the video where I just had Edgar ride in my car and I painted his calipers. Some of you guys are asking how much to paint your calipers. I don't really want to paint everybody's calipers just because it becomes a liability and a headache, and I have to get all these things out, and I'm already way too busy, so I don't want to paint your guys' calipers. I should make a video on the 6-piston Brembos for the S197s. Yes, I should. I think that a lot of people might want to upgrade, especially if you don't already have the 4-piston Brembos, at least to get the 6-piston Brembos. And then someone else just said that our calipers look good and that our cars are clean, so thank you so much, Hoodie Glaze. I'm sure Edgar thinks the same thing. I'm sure he's very thankful for that. Mr. Bostang asked me what my exhaust setup is, which is funny because this video was about like just pure sound of how my car sounds. It's the Lethal Off-Road H-pipe as well as the Corsa Sport mufflers, just the axle backs. No headers, nothing, anything like that. And then you're asking about the My Color gauges. The My Color gauges are on all the premium cars. I don't think your boss has it. I think it has the 9,000 RPM. So just know if you switch to a premium, you won't have that in your gauge cluster anymore. Gamaliel, I think your name is, sub since I had the 5.0, and he got his 14 Grabber Blue 5.0. So that's pretty awesome, dude. Congratulations on your car. I'm glad I could inspire you to get your own, but yeah, dude, I can't wait to see what you guys do to your cars. These cars are coming down in value. A lot of people are able to get them. And the Mustang just has so much customizability, it's insane. And then one of you guys mentioned the microphone didn't sound natural. I'm trying to play with my audio settings all the time to try to just get the best quality for you guys, so that's probably why that didn't sound so good. You guys are asking why I put the stickers on upside down. Actually, those are the right way for Edgar, who's the client in this case, so the client was always right. He wanted the B's to be on top for his, and that's just fine. Mine, I just followed the factory, however they look. But he wanted his B's on the top, so that's why we did that. And I think that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for right now. Lots of other comments. Again, I just want to choose some of the top ones in that video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Had to use my phone because I had my hand and my phone was in my hand. But catch you guys next time.